So, ayan, may comment si Sisi ko sa previous video ko with this product. Sabi niya, kung nakaka-slim daw ba itong SF Cafe Latte? At ang sagot ko dyan, ate, ay yes! So, SF Cafe Latte has green tea and green coffee extract that can help us with fat burning. It also has white kidney bean that can help lessen the carbs na inaabsorb ng body natin. It also has MCT oil na makakatulong para mabusog tayo ng mas matagal. This also has Gymnema sylvestre. I don't know if I'm saying it right, pero that ingredient can help us na ma-lessen yung mga sugar cravings natin. So again, one pouch has 10 sachets and one sachet has 16 grams. And of course guys, iba-iba po ang resulta kada tao dahil iba-iba po tayo ng katawan. Hindi po ito magic coffee ha. Nakakatulong lang po ito pero nakadepende pa rin po ang pagka-healthy body natin sa ating lifestyle and of course sa ating kinakain. Kung ang hanap mo ay kape na walang calories, walang sugar, at makakatulong pa sa appetite at cravings mo, ito na yung sign para i-try mo itong SF Cafe Latte. Alam mo na yan sis, nandyan lang yan sa yellow basket ko. Bumili ka na, baka maubusan ka.